Hello and welcome to this new channel on the business process management system YAWL. This channel is brought to you by Bonn-Rhein-Sieg University and the YAWL user group. I especially thank our e-learning team and the video lab for helping me setting up this channel. My name is Andreas Hense. Business process management is not an entirely new idea. Already in the 1980s, there was this idea of office automation, as it was called, and workflows. And until the year 2000, many different workflow systems emerged, and each of them had a different notation and a different semantics. So by the year 2000, there were two major efforts unifying everything that was on the market then. One effort was called BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation, and is essentially an industrial standard, a notational standard that combines everything that was available at that time in workflow management systems. The second approach was an in-depth analysis of all these systems. This was called workflow patterns, and based on these workflow patterns, a minimal language that could express the totality of these things was created, and this language was called YAWL, yet another workflow language. So then from 2002 onwards, the Technical University of Eindhoven and the Queensland University of Technology in Australia have developed YAWL into a full-fledged business process management systems. YAWL has a very stable engine that can run for many years without ever breaking down, and so is really ready for productive use. So what is the difference between YAWL and other business process management systems? Other business process management systems have a tight integration with the software development layer, and that makes them very attractive for software developers because they can find all of their tools they know. YAWL has a clear separation between the workflow specification layer and the software development layer. And that makes YAWL very attractive for organizations that don't want to call software developers each time they have an improvement or a change in their requirements. Well, in this series of hands-on tutorials, we want to show you how to install YAWL, how to build your first workflow, how to run your first workflow, and go on step by step to more complex topics. There will also be the possibility for you to ask questions. We will answer these questions and also produce videos on demand. So if you like this idea, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and go to the next video on the installation of YAWL. See you then.